Even with the wind starting to ease up, we still have thousands of Coloradans without power tonight. Some of this is the public safety shutoffs that Xcel did ahead of the wind. Some of it is just regular old wind damage and power outages. Here's a look at the power outage map at this hour, 5 o'clock on Saturday. About 30,000 people still without power tonight. The number of impacted customers continues to drop, but some still haven't had power since Wednesday when Xcel first issued a safety shutoff. The company put through another safety shutoff on Friday for customers across several different counties, including Jefferson, Boulder, and Clear Creek. At its height, more than 200,000 people didn't have power on Wednesday night. Earlier this morning, Xcel gave an update on the power cutoffs, what they're doing to get the power back on, and how they've made some of these safety decisions.
So my point is that we only use this as a tool when the most extreme weather conditions exist, and we don't take lightly doing it, but we are doing this to protect the public. And we have to balance risks. We know that the potential risk for a catastrophic wildfire was extreme and high, and so that has to be our first focus, is keeping the public safe.
Xcel says they're hoping to get most people their power back on by 10 o'clock tonight.